Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a one product curly hair routine. I've had a few people leave this comment under my videos asking me to try the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. This is the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. This is what it looks like. And I've had my eyes on this conditioner for years, but I never wanted to purchase it because it is very expensive in my opinion for a 10-ounce bottle. This bottle I bought for $19.99 I believe at Target, and depending on what store you purchase it from, it can run from like $17 to $18, $19. So $20 basically for a curly hair product is probably the most expensive I think I've purchased one product for. So yeah, that's why I've always avoided it. I have tried this product one time, and that's when I went on vacation a few months ago. I bought the travel size version of this and I was using it in conjunction with a Diva Curl gel, which I don't remember which gel I was using, but I do remember saying like I thought that was a really good combination. But besides that, I've never used it by itself, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I actually like the little paragraph they have here on the front of the bottle. It just says, the curl defining blend for multi-textures. Whether you are black, white, Latin, Asian, Mediterranean, or any glorious combination, this lightweight product locks moisture into curls, waves, and weaves. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this product out. I still have to detangle my hair. I did get out of the shower a little bit ago, but I did not detangle it, so I'm gonna do that first, of course. And I'm gonna be using my KarecCo brush. This is one of the flexi ones. I forget the name of it, but I will leave it linked down below in their website because this brush really is my favorite tool that I've been using for the past few months now. So definitely check them out if you're interested. But let's go ahead and comb out this hair. I'm gonna start from the bottom like always. So I'm going to move on and start styling my hair. I'm going to be using this 9-row brush, also from KareCo. This is what I love to style my hair with. Also will be linked down below if you're interested. But just like always, I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner in sections and then use the 9-row brush to kind of define my curls in every section. I really do need to get a haircut. Like, I haven't had my hair trimmed or anything in probably like 9 months. And I just need to do something because it's looking a little bit raggedy. Let's see. I don't remember how this smells either. It doesn't smell like anything, does it? Like, I don't know if I just can't smell right now or I just don't think it has any scent. Okay, so like I was saying, this is what it looks like. It's super yellow and I don't think that it smells like anything. It has like a subtle scent, but I can't pinpoint like what it smells like at all. It just smells kind of like baby lotion or like baby soap, you know? Like that Johnson stuff. I don't know. But I'm going to go through every section and run my 9-row brush through each section. So I just finished applying all the product in my hair, and I do think it's super lightweight and a little bit goes a long way. So I'm excited to see what my hair looks like once it's done drying. I do think because it is such a lightweight product and I only have one product in my hair right now, that it shouldn't take too long to dry. So hopefully I can get back on here in just a few short hours. Right now it is 2:22, so I'm going to hopefully be back before like 6 or 7 to show you guys my final results, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I don't know what happened to this audio, but here I am on voiceover. Hi, I'm just explaining to you what I think about my results. I liked my results a lot. I didn't really expect bad results from the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner just because of the many reviews I've watched and seen and just my little experience with it in the past. But up close, here are my curls. I was explaining how they are a little bit frizzy, and I did have some frizz at the top of my hair as well, but that was expected, at least with my hair, because I usually just need a gel or some sort of like mousse to kind of seal it all in so that I don't get frizz. But since I didn't have that, I didn't really expect to not see frizz, if that made any sense. But yeah, I was explaining how it just felt super soft, almost like I had nothing in my hair, and I didn't have any greasy residue or stickiness or anything at all, which is always good. So yeah, these are just my results, so let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. I know it was a short one, but that's really all there is to it. If you guys want to see me try another one product curly hair routine, let me know what product it is you want to see me try next. There's a bunny. Anyway, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you go, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.